Alright guys, well, since this is an automatic, came out of an automatic car, gotta put the pilot bearing and all that in, and upsetting part is I have no grease, so, oh man, well, I have to look for the grease. So, or let me call a friend. Let me call my boy. I'm pretty sure he knows where the grease is. And that. Beautiful day though. Well, I have no oil, no grease, so found a little bit of lube. Get in there. All right. So maybe I don't think that's the best way to do it. Something flat, even. That should get it in. Evenly. Tap it gently. It should be right in there. Nice and flush. Now, so hopefully that works. Alright. Time for this beautiful lightweight flywheel. And make sure, you know what, before I put that on, clean this up. Heat. I'll die, literally die. The reason why I say literally die, because I have half a heart. Basically, if you see the scar, basically I was born, y'all have 4 ventricles, I have 1. Insane, I don't know how I'm living, but definitely a higher power that's keeping me here. You know what I'm saying? Alright. That fits. Maybe I'm just babying this shit. Alright, let's look. motherfucker. Ooh. Alright, that was lovely. Alright. That hurt. Fuck, that hurt. Is it really? It's going farther. Fucking mother. Fuck. Motherflower. It's about 90 degrees around out here. It's hot. I do not like this weather. Alright. Alright, so I had to run the AutoZone quick. Grab some grease. Gotta lube some stuff up. You know? And now I'm back to tightening these flywheel bolts. Oh shit. Throttle bearings already on. I already did all that. So basically, clutch. Clutch, throw the tranny on. I have to change the motor mounts. This one's going in. A little funny. There we go. I have to change the motor mounts. Kind of upset. My header's coming tomorrow, not today. Would have been nice to throw everything in at once. But fuck it. You know what's crazy? I'm doing all this to this BMW. I don't even have the key yet. I gotta go to Beamer to get the key. So I'm gonna throw it on. Not even get to know if it turns on or not. That's sad. But once I turn it on, I'm gonna be so happy. Woo! This shit is in there. I clean this flywheel. Took a little break from tattooing today. Thought, you know, come out work, try to finish this car. He's not grabbing into no threads. Sucks, they don't want to thread. There we go. make sure you always torque your bolts. Torque them. If not, you're fucked. I don't know what's going on. Catch. I don't even know if one even goes in there. I'm pretty sure it does, right? Alright, you know what? Make sure you go like the starlight pattern. Before it gets tightened every angle. You don't want it uneven, nothing like that. That definitely would suck. Now let's see. Both go. See, now it's going. Now, almost snug. Snug. Star shape. Just go across from each other. Yeah, see? You don't want to miss nothing. Alright. Torque pounds 75. So let's grab this torque wrench. Ooh. I need some water. This heat and this soda doesn't really go. Alright, I forgot how to use a torque wrench. So, I don't even know how to turn this on. There we go. Alright. It says 75 foot-pounds, I hope. This is foot-pounds. Right there. 400. Foot-pounds. Okay, that looks a little better. So, basically, I didn't find, I think I lost the papers to the torque. It doesn't tell me on this one. So, we're gonna go 78 to be safe. All right. Okay, we have a problem. Doesn't work. Doesn't fit. Doesn't fucking fit. Change the mount. Good to go. Yeah, basically.
Let me see this shit running.
Hopefully.
I'll be waiting.
Smoke that Subaru. It's been a long day, but we almost there, guys. I gotta find some boats, flywheel boats, clutch boats. Alright, found the boats. Shoved in the back somewhere. Some bullshit. But it's alright, we got them. Alright, let's do this. Because I'm pretty sure my brother's going to be calling me pretty soon. And I have to drop off his car. Okay, it's looking like pretty sure these are those headers. Positive these are those headers. I'm 100% sure those are header bolts. Okay, so I guess that's possible. I'm pretty sure 6. Okay. No problem. 4. Just put a foot on the back. Oh, check it out. It is hot. I'm sweating like crazy. We have to call BMW.